Hi, welcome to this session, this video. And today I'll be breaking down exactly the reason why your job search is taking longer than 30 days, the reason why you're struggling to get jobs, the reason why you're not able to get that high paying job, the reason why you've been getting, unfortunately, so much that you're tired of actually applying to jobs. So probably you've sent out 50 to 100 or even 200 applications and you're already tired, like you're frustrated. It might not actually be you, it might not be like probably your experience, it might just be the system or what you are actually using to apply. It might be your knowledge and understanding, your deep understanding of how to apply for jobs. Applying to jobs is just like starting a business. It's actually a full-time job. Applying to job is a full-time job. You need to understand how to apply and how to actually do it. In this video, I'll be breaking down exactly how the Career to Founder program has gotten our people interviews and jobs, and how they've gotten offers in top companies around the world. If you don't know me, my name is Sam Femi. I've helped hundreds of career professionals to land their high paying jobs. And beyond just getting them jobs, I've helped them to get more income, earn more fast, get more promotions, and grow their career speedily. So you're probably wondering why you're watching this video. This is for you if you're actively job hunting, you're applying constantly, but the results are not just coming. If that's you, then you need to stay to the end of this video. I'll show you the reason why you are not getting replies and why you're not getting interviews, why your job application is actually not coming through. The reason, one thing that you need to understand is that most people seeking jobs, it's think it's about applying to more jobs, and it's actually not. Recruiters spend an average of 7 seconds to read your resume, and they decide if it's a yes or no. You might have all the resources you need, and yet you don't know how to use them. So this program is an extension of the Career to Founder OS, the operating system, the resources. A lot of people have just the resources, but they don't understand how to actually use those resources. And that's why I created this program. If your job search system isn't built and used the right way, it doesn't matter how many jobs you apply to. It's I understand your job is a volume game, but if you're doing volume without the right resume, the right tools, the right system, and you don't know how to do it well, you would still not get jobs. You would just be applying to hundreds of jobs and still not get response because you're doing it the wrong way. So the reason why what you've been doing is not working is because you've probably already tried the obvious stuffs. You've updated your resume, rewritten your LinkedIn, maybe even paid someone to optimize it, and you're still stuck. That's not because you didn't try hard enough. It's because a better resume was never going to fix the whole problem. The problem with people is that they think once I have a resume, I have a cover letter, and I have applications, I'll just start sending out application. That's not how job search work. A job search is not a document, it's a system, and most job seekers are trying to win with pieces of it fixed while the test stays broken. One, let me talk about some of the things that you might probably be missing. One, you don't have a tracking system for your application. You don't have a structured way to prepare for interviews. You have no strategy for negotiating your offer once it finally comes. No way to keep up the market, and the hiring tools keep changing. That's why one fix, even a good one, don't move the needle or hasn't moved the needle yet. You might be fixing your resume all the time and you're wondering why you're not getting job. It's because it's beyond just a resume. You need other things to actually fix your job search. You don't have a resume problem, you have a complete system problem. And the career to founder problem is the five system framework built to solve all of it, not just one piece of it. So the problem is that you want to solve a big problem with just one thing, and it doesn't work that way. Here is what nobody's telling you. Your job search is not failing because of one broken piece. It's failing because you're running it with no system across 5 stages that all have to work together. Like they all have to work together. And these are the 5 stages. The first one is the point one, which is the positioning, your digital footprint, your resume, your cover letter, your LinkedIn. They are the first filter. 75% of resume never reach a human. They are killed by ATS software before anyone reads it. Fix this and you get seen, but being seen is not being hired. So you might not have a digital footprint like your personal branding on social media, on probably you don't even have anything related to what you do. You don't have portfolio, your resume, your cover letter and LinkedIn are fixed, you will still fail. And even though you have everything in the point one, you might still fail because you're missing the next one, which is the application strategy. Most job seekers apply blind, no tracker, no system for follow-up, no idea which applications are even worth chasing. You can't improve what you're not measuring. And the spray and pray method is a wrong way. Let's say you just believe that, oh, I'll apply to 100 jobs and hope to get one. It doesn't work that way. You need a strategy. You need to know how to apply. You need to know how to track your application, how to follow up with your recruiters, how to also follow up with the job application, how to check the ones you've applied for, and to know the right jobs to apply for. These are the things that you must actually figure out while applying. The next one is the interview and offer. You finally land an interview. Let's say you fixed your positioning, you fixed your application. The problem now is the interview and offer. You are probably getting interviews, but you're failing it. They're not getting back to you after your interview. And the reason why is because you're winging it with generic prep. No structured answers, no idea how to actually negotiate the offer when it comes. And this is what this program will cover everything here: the positioning, the application strategy, the interview and offer. You will be getting access to everything here, and not just the resource, but the explanation on how to use it. You'll be getting everything on the program, and even a support group. When I mean a support group, where you get to ask questions and people will get to guide you. I'll also be there to guide you. So probably you're getting the interview, but most people leave thousands on the table simply because nobody gave them a negotiating script. You don't know how to negotiate offers, how to get more offers, or the strategy to even get the best offer in the first place. Let's say you even get the offer. The point four is where most people get stuck. On top of all of that, AI has changed how fast top candidates move. Writing tailored application, preparing for interviews, researching companies in minutes instead of hours. If you're not using AI, you're already behind. So in this program, we'll also guide you on how to use AI to actually make your application go faster, how to prep for interviews, how to also research companies in minutes. So these are the things that you can actually get, the leverage that other people are missing. You get it on this program. The next one is the point five. The market keeps moving. This is very important because most people out there, they are all alone. They don't know what's currently happening in their industry. They don't have access to people that are actually currently applying. What worked 6 months ago is already outdated. A one-time program or template can't keep up with the market that shifts constantly. So you need something built to update with it. And this program is something that will continuously be updated. It's not a one-time course that you will get today and then that's all. It's the same video. No, the content of this program is constantly being updated and you have access to this program for life. Once you buy it once, you have access to it for life. You join the support group. You also, after you completed the program, you also join an alumni group. That alumni group is for those that have actually completed the program, they've gotten jobs. You get to talk to them, network with them, and also learn from them. So even on that platform, you can get referrals for job. You can get people that will actually refer you for a job. So it's a community built to actually thrive together. So it's constantly being updated, and you constantly get updates on what is happening in the job market. So here's the truth. A better resume is not going to fix your job search, because the resume was never the whole problem. You've been trying to win a five-stage process with fixes for stage one only. That's why I built this Career to Founder program. It's the exact program that breaks down the full resource system, the resource we talked about, the Career to Founder operating system. This program actually breaks it down. You've been trying to win a five-stage process with just one stage. This program will actually help you to get that your dream job, and it has actually helped a lot of our clients. It has helped them to land high paying jobs. You get to see them when you join the community, when you also join the alumni group and the support group. So once you join this program and you've completed it, in 30 days, you will have interviews lined up if you actually implement what we discuss in the program. You also have a clear plan of every application you send. You also have the confidence to negotiate instead of settle. Here's the exact system that gets you there. So in this program, you'll be getting five systems. And the first one is the clarity system. You'll be getting a vision plan, how to set vision, your career vision, the standard path to actually getting a job, the recruiting process for getting a job. You will walk away knowing precisely what your dream role looks like, which path actually leads there, and how recruiting really works behind the scene. So you stop wasting time on strategies that were never going to work for your own situation. The second thing you'll be getting from this program is the visibility system. I'm talking about how to actually get visibility out there. You'll be getting the application strategy, networking and referrals, LinkedIn optimization, and also personal branding. You will get you will build a job search strategy for yourself, a network that actually opens door, a LinkedIn presence that gets you noticed by recruiters instead of opening your application guessing by pile of hundreds. The next thing you'll be getting from this program is the proof system. You'll be getting portfolio, how to build a portfolio, a killer resume, your cover letter, and a learning roadmap, a clear roadmap for closing any skill gaps you have, standing between you and your dream role. The next one is the conversion system. You'll be getting a storytelling, how to actually tell stories in your interview, the interview secrets, mock interviews, negotiations. You'll be getting those. You will walk into interviews knowing exactly how to tell your stories, how to handle any objection, any question, and practice live before it counts. So on the program, you also get access to practice interviews with people on the program already. There are people on the support group that need people to participate with. Then you get connected to these people, and you practice your interviews. You also get to also ask questions on those group about interviews. You also learn to negotiate the best possible offer instead of accepting the first number. The fifth one is the founder fit system. This program, you'll be wondering, why is it called Career to Founder? It's because there is a founder part. Most people, when they've gotten to a stage in their career, they want to build their own thing. So this program will also get you ready for that period when you're ready to start your career. So you'll be getting the founder readiness course. You get a capstone project on the program. We call it the career team. So you get it, the capstone project. You also have post-program resource and alumni access. So you will live with the readiness, the mindset, and the capstone project that prove you can actually navigate any career move going forward, plus a lifetime access to the resource. So if you're getting this program, you get a lifetime access to the Career to Founder OS, the resource that we mentioned initially, and you get access to the alumni group and a community, the support group that keeps you sharp long after you've even landed the job. You might be wondering, Sam, what's the cost of this program? The cost is below this video. You get to see the cost there. The cost is actually very, very affordable. And the sweet thing about this program is that it keeps getting updated. Like I said, we get to keep updating it, and you have the lifetime access to it. So this program stays relevant forever. You can keep coming back. I think one recently, one of our alumni reached out to me and said, "Oh, I went back to to the program, and then I went through it again, and I went through the resources, the notes I've actually created for myself, and I was able to pick things and apply it, and that was the beautiful thing. It actually made my day because for someone to go back to their notes, to the recordings, it means there's value in there. So it means there's actually value in the program. So all this, you have access to it for a lifetime, and you get to also get new updates. So you might be wondering, does the program actually work? You'll get to see reviews below. These are also different reviews from student Busola Benson. There is Desire Ma. There's Kausarat Oladipupo. I can't be reading all this, but you have access to all the reviews on our Google page. You can go to our Google page on Google, Seamless Life HQ. We have live reviews there from real people. You can check them out, search them on internet. We have reviews on Seller. We have reviews on YouTube. You can check us out on YouTube at Seamless Life HQ. There are even reviews down here on this page where you get to see different reviews on the program. So people have actually tested the program and it's working. It's actually working. So let me answer a few questions that you might probably have before we go. How will this be delivered, the program? It's a self-paced program with a support group where you will have access to ask questions and get all the support you need. There will be live sessions when we'll determine the time for the live sessions, but there will be live sessions where you get to interact live with me and other facilitators. Will this actually work for my industry? Yes. Across every industry and experience level, from entry level to executive, the principles don't change, only your specifics do. So I usually say this, a formula, let's say a resume formula, can work for all industry. It's just left to you to use that formula for your specific niche or industry, for your specifics. So once we give you what we give you in this program is something that you can definitely apply if you're a marketer, an accountant, or if you are someone that are like you're in a different industry entirely. What you need to do is actually take the things you learn from here and apply it to your own industry. For the students that have actually joined the program, we had someone that's into finance, we had someone that is into design, like different industry, different roles that are actually on this program. Let's talk about the refund policy. If you've successfully completed the program and you don't find it useful, we will happily refund you. So go through the program, complete the program, and if you find it, oh, this program is not making sense, I don't find value, just message us and then we'll give you your money back, your full refund. We'll give it back to you. So thank you for watching this video. If you're ready to actually get started, just click the link below to buy and purchase the program. I look forward to having you on the community where we get to interact better and I get to help you to land your dream job. Thank you very much and see you soon inside the community.